Our next topic in system setups is sales and receivables setup. So let's go and find it. Sales and receivables setup. We already been there when we were posting some sales documents. We were working with numbering series here and did some relationships with them. But let's start from the general tab. Discount posting. With this field, we tell the system how to deal with different discounts, should it use different accounts in the settings and in the postings, and these settings can be found in general posting settings. We have credit warnings for the customer, so the system will give us a warning when our customer exceeds credit limit or overdue balance, or we can turn off all the warnings or give it with both. Stock out warning. System will give us warning when our quantity on sales document will decrease the stock below 0. With shipment on invoice marked, system will create a shipment when you post an invoice. So in case of posting just an invoice, not using the sales orders, system will automatically create a shipment here, and here it will create return receipt when you post credit memo. When you turn off this option, system will not create shipment, and the shipment will be the invoice. So you will find the invoice numbers in item ledger entries, for example. Invoice roundings. With this option, system will use roundings precisions. We gave it in general posting setup, so it will use options we set there. Default item quantity gives default 1 for quantities in sales lines. So if you choose item, system will automatically give 1. Create item from item number, create item from description. With these two options, system will assist you with creating new item when you use an item number or description that it will not be recognizable with the system. So he will ask you to create a new item here. Copy customer names to entries. This will give customer name information in customer ledger entries. External document number mandatory means that system will use and ask you to fill in external document number when posting sales invoices or general journal lines. Application between currencies. With all, system will let you to apply with different currencies. With email, you will use only European Monetary Union. With none, system will not allow you to apply with different currencies. This is the best option in my opinion, so you should use this one. Logo position on documents. With no logo option, system will not use the logo. This is logo based in company information. We will go there in a few lectures. You can place it left, center, and right. Default posting date. Here you can set default date when you create new documents. It can be either work date or no date. So then user should fill in the date by himself. Default quantity to ship. Here system will give you the same quantity as the sales order quantity. When you left it blank, system will put 0 there, so user will have to put the quantity there. We have also 5 fields with comments. You can copy comments from blanket order to order, from order to invoice. In those 5 options you can set this. Allow VAT difference. This option allows you to change VAT amount on sales invoices. Calc invoice discount. With this option, system is calculating discounts on printed and posted documents. With the next option, VAT business posting group price, you can set VAT business posting group that will be used for calculating price, and this group will be different than the customer has. So if you want to use different posting group, then use it here. Very rarely used option here. Exact cost reversing mandatory means that you have to put the document to apply when you post reversing documents. For example, if you post return receipt, you have to apply it with the shipment. So this is very tricky sometimes, because sometimes the shipment is used somewhere else and you don't have anything to apply with, and the system will not allow you to post documents. Check prepayment when posting. System will check prepayments when you want to post shipment or an invoice, and you can also set auto update for prepayments here. In this option, you can allow system to delete posted documents before the date you will put it here. And that's it for finance. This is something for reservation. In dimensions, you can put 2 dimensions connected with customer group and salespersons. So we have 2 dimensions connected with it. In numbering series, you can find all sales related series. You can find customer numbering series. You can find all the documents before posting. So we have quotes, blanket orders and orders. We have all posted documents. So we have invoices, credit memos, also shipments. We have reminders and finance charges, and some prepayments here. In background posting, you can set job queen to post sales invoices besides users. In archiving, you will have some archive options and some Dynamics 365 for sales integration.